everyone. Welcome back to another episode of the Mr. English Learning Center podcast. I'm Jessica, and I'm really happy you're spending your time with us today.
And I'm Mike. Hello, hello. No matter where you are right now, at home on your bed, in the kitchen, cleaning your room, or just relaxing, this episode is made especially for you.
Today's topic is English phrases to use at home, beginner-friendly. These are simple, natural, everyday English phrases that native speakers use at home all the time.
Yes, this is the kind of English you don't always find in textbooks.
Exactly. This is real English for real life.
The English you use when you wake up, feel tired, get hungry, feel lazy, or just want to relax.
True. The most basic and polite phrase you can say is, "Good morning."
Very easy and very common.
If you want to sound more relaxed and casual, especially with family members, you can just say, "Morning."
You might also hear people say, "Did you sleep well?"
And the honest answer is often, "Not really."
Or, "I didn't sleep well."
Another very common morning phrase is, "I'm still sleepy."
Or, my favorite, "I need coffee."
That sentence explains the whole morning.
No more explanation needed.
Now let's talk about breakfast time at home, because food English is very important.
One of the most common questions is, "What's for breakfast?"
Or if you're talking to yourself, "What should I eat?"
If you're offering food, you can say, "Do you want some eggs?"
Or, "Would you like tea or coffee?"
And if you're very hungry, you can say, "I'm starving."
Again, you're not really starving, just very hungry. And if you don't feel hungry in the morning, you can say, "I'm not hungry right now."
Or, "I'll eat later."
Later seems to be a popular word at home.
Now let's move to asking for help at home, which is very common.
Yes, we all need help sometimes.
The simplest phrase is, "Can you help me?"
If you want to sound more polite, say, "Could you help me, please?"
And if you want help with something specific, "Can you help me clean the room?"
Another very natural phrase is, "Can you give me a hand?"
Which sounds strange for beginners.
Yes, but it just means help. English loves funny expressions.
Now let's talk about housework phrases, because home life means chores.
Unfortunately. You can say, "I'm cleaning the house."
I'm sweeping the floor.
"I'm mopping the floor."
I'm doing the laundry.
"I'm washing the dishes."
And the most famous sentence at home is, "I'll do it later."
Later is a very flexible time.
Yes, later can mean tonight, tomorrow, or never.
What if you want someone else to do something?
Then you need polite request phrases.
You can say, "Can you take out the trash, please?"
Please clean the room.
"Can you wash the dishes?"
Adding please makes a big difference.
Yes, especially at home with family.
Now let's talk about relaxing at home, the best part of the day.
Absolutely. You can say, "I'm tired."
I need some rest.
"I'm just relaxing."
Or when you finally sit down, finally.
One word, big feeling.
Very big feeling.
Let's talk about using phones and watching TV at home.
Very realistic home English.
You can ask, "What are you watching?"
I'm watching a movie.
"I'm watching a TV show."
If you don't like what's on TV, you can say, "Can you change the channel?"
And the most common question in every house, "Where's the remote?"
The remote control has a secret life.
Yes, it hides very well.
Now let's move to kitchen English, which is super important.
Yes, because food brings everyone together.
You can say, "I'm hungry."
"I'm full."
Let's eat.
"Dinner is ready."
When food tastes really good, say, "This is delicious."
And if it's not very good, you can say politely, "It's okay."
The safest answer in English.
Now let's talk about giving instructions at home. Very common phrases.
Turn off the lights.
Close the door.
Open the window.
Be careful.
And the sentence children hear all the time, "Clean your room."
Kids everywhere just got spared.
Adults too sometimes.
Now let's talk about evening time at home.
Everyone is tired and thinking about food.
You can ask, "What's for dinner?"
I don't feel like cooking.
"Let's order food."
That sentence makes everyone happy.
Yes, no cooking, no dishes.
Now it's nighttime when everything slows down.
Calm and peaceful English.
I'm sleepy.
I'm going to bed.
Good night.
Sweet dreams.
Very kind and caring phrase.
Now let's practice a long, natural conversation using home English.
Perfect for beginners. Hey Jessica, what are you doing?
I'm cleaning the kitchen. What about you?
I'm just relaxing. I'm really tired.
Did you eat anything?
Not yet. I'm hungry.
I'm cooking dinner right now.
Can I help you?
Yes, please. Can you set the table?
Sure. Dinner smells good.
Thanks. Dinner is almost ready.
Great, I'm starving.
That's perfect home English.
Remember, you don't need to speak perfect English.
Yes, making mistakes is normal.
Speak slowly.
Practice every day.
Use English at home.
Talk to yourself.
We all do it.
And it really helps.
Before we end, here's a small tip.
Try to use at least 5 English phrases at home every day,
Say them out loud.
even if you're alone.
Your confidence will grow.
And your English will improve naturally.
All right, everyone, we're coming to the end of today's episode.
Thank you so much for listening to the Mr. English Learning Center podcast.
We hope this episode helped you learn useful English phrases for daily home life.
If you enjoyed this episode, please like, share, and subscribe.
And don't forget to practice today.
We'll be back very soon with another easy, fun English lesson.
Until then,
Keep practicing
keep learning.
and keep speaking English at home. Bye, everyone!